Hello, this is Yolanda from One Curious Box, and I'm just here to show you some of my food displays that I've made over the years. These are wonderful pieces for displaying at restaurants. One thing I don't like to see is when fresh food or food of any type is being wasted. So this is a really good way to display signature dishes. It's good for theater props, movie props, photography props, and really cool way to display, to give a more homey feel to home stages for real estate agents. And it has a lot more great ways to use them. I actually love them for setting my tables and art on walls in my kitchen. So I'm a foodie, so it works for me. And the food that I make is mainly like polymer clay and different medias that I use. So nothing here is real. It's all been molded and crafted by yours truly. I really just enjoy what I do. So please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos. And I'll have a lot of really fun videos for my miniature pieces, as you may have seen on other videos that I like to do the stop motion videos in the end to try to display what I actually have created. So enjoy the videos, and again, please like and subscribe so I can get more videos out to show the world my art. All right, have a wonderful day. Thank you for stopping by and enjoy more videos. Just go to my the section to see whatever type of video you like. I have miniatures, I have full-size displays, I have stop motion videos. So please take a moment and enjoy. Have a great day. Bye.